she goes. Yeah, that movement in Jenny's belly is not breathing. That is our baby with hiccups. She is 38 weeks along today. We are having a C-section 1 week from today, possibly sooner if she decides to come sooner.
Smile from